Hello everyone and welcome to another video which is based on spatial reasoning topic different views of a cube. So let's get into the video and see our first question. For this question you can see the drop shape is on the front hand side and the arrow is on the top. So when you turn this view down from top to bottom, the arrow shifts to the front side, the drop goes at the bottom, which simply means a drop, and the tree kind of shape is there on the top, which means both of them are opposites. Then you have the black shape which was there on the right, it's changing its direction now. From the second view, if you turn that view, or if you turn the cube which is there in the middle, the view of the cube which is there in the middle, in an anti-clockwise manner, and then from top to bottom the arrow or the black arrow will come to the front hand side, and at that time the diamond is on the top, and during that time when you turn it around, the drop shape which was there at the bottom, it shifts to the right hand side, and your correct answer becomes option C. When you look for this question, the four circles are on the front face, the triangle, the right angle triangle is on the top. When you check the second view, again the triangle is on the top, but it is in a different direction. The pointed part of the triangle is pointing towards the four square grid which is there on the front hand side. It simply means the four circles and the four square shape kind of figure, black and white squares, they are opposites. Then you can see on one side of the circles, on the right hand side, there are stripes, the grey and black stripes. And on the right hand side of the checkerboard kind of shape or the squares, there's a trapezium. It simply means the lines and the trapezium, they are opposites. So you can eliminate out option A because it's definitely not gonna be your option, because exactly opposite to the trapezium would be the line stripes which is behind. The triangle which is there on the top, you can't see any other shape which is opposite to that. So in all the three views, there's one shape which is never seen, which is the circle which is there at the bottom. So you can eliminate option D. Now we are left with option B and C. So your correct option, when you check, when you turn it around and when the trapezium is on the front, at that time the grid or the checkerboard black and white squares would be on the left, and on the right hand side you would have the circles, the four circles. So your correct option becomes option B. So here you can see the first one in which the arrow is on the top, the drop is on the front face, and this shape was towards the right hand side. Now we want this arrow to be on the front hand side, front face, so we turn it like this. This shape becomes the topmost, this is on the right again. Now if we want this shape on the front side, we would simply turn it like this, and we want it pointing downwards like the one which is given to you in the figure. So if you turn this pointing downwards, now this is pointing downwards, the diamond shape is on the top, and on the right hand side you can see the drop shape pointing downwards. So your correct option would be nothing but option C. Let's try to understand the second question that we have. The triangle is on the top, the four circles on the front and side, and on the right you have the lines. Now the next view is nothing but when you turn this cube in a clockwise manner, where the checkerboard is on the front, the triangle is again on the top, and on the right we have this quadrilateral shape. Now the third view that we have again is this one. Again we turn it clockwise. The quadrilateral is on the front. The triangle is again on the top. One more thing that we can observe in the options is that the triangle, it is always on the top. So one of the shapes won't be visible in any of the views of the cube, which simply indicates a single circle, it's not visible in any of the faces, because it's there opposite to this triangle at the base, like the one you can see over here, which simply indicates you can eliminate that option. Now let's check it. The trapezium is over here, so you can see the four circles would be on the right hand side. So your correct answer becomes option B. So we already discussed two questions of different views of a cube. Now here's one more question on the screen for all of you to try out. Please do comment your options which you think is the correct answer for the same, and we will check who gets it correct. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, do like, share and subscribe to our channel IQ and Reasoning Academy, and we will see you with more such informative videos. Thank you.